Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session we'll take up a number series. First we'll discuss few basics and then followed by we'll discuss the questions, number series questions which are given in the previous year exams. Okay, so all the questions which we are going to discuss, those are taken from previous year papers, so that you can understand that what exactly the level of difficulty of the question and what kind of questions they are giving in the exams, and what should be our approach in solving this kind of questions. Okay. So these are the points that we need to remember. Natural numbers, odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers and non-prime numbers. And I'm not going to discuss about these numbers because you are very well aware of natural numbers, odd numbers, even numbers and also the prime numbers, composite numbers, non-prime numbers. Okay. These are the points that you need to remember. Along with this, you should also remember squares and cubes. You should also remember squares. Squares up to 30. Squares up to 30, try to by heart them, and cubes up to 15, try to by heart, and also prime numbers between 1 and 100. 1 to 100 you will be having total of 25 prime numbers, so try to remember those 25 prime numbers. By remembering these 25 prime numbers and the squares and the cubes, not only squares and not only cubes, nearest to square numbers and nearest to cube numbers will also help you in answering the questions in less time. What are those nearest to squares and nearest to cubes? That is n square plus or minus n, n cube plus or minus n, n square plus or minus k, some constant, n cube plus or minus k, n square plus or minus n by 2, these kind of numbers, where n is a natural number, or n can be an odd number, or n can be an even number, or n can be a prime number. So please try to by heart these numbers. Once you are able to remember the squares and cubes, remembering these numbers will be very easy. I mean, no need to exactly remember, just when you look at one number, please try to recognize that yes, this number is closest to the square, yes, this number is closest to the cube. Okay, if you can remember like that also, you will get some idea. And try to remember the prime numbers up to 25. And what kind of logics that we are going to come across. Okay, consecutive logic. Consecutive logic is nothing but simple. Numbers themselves follows a specific pattern. Numbers themselves follows a specific pattern. It means the numbers which are given in the series maybe are directly odd numbers, or maybe directly even numbers, maybe directly prime numbers, composite numbers, or non-prime numbers, or alternate prime numbers, alternate composite numbers. There is a possibility. Please understand how the questions will be made. Then you will get the clear idea. Okay. Or the questions may be directly squares. The given question may be directly squares. But squares of maybe natural numbers or odd numbers, squares of even number, prime number squares, composite number square, non-prime number squares. Maybe cubes of natural numbers or odd number or even number or prime number or composite or non-prime number. We have only this scope, right? The numbers can be classified into only these ways: natural, even, odd, prime, composite, non-prime. So you should try to recognize the pattern. The pattern can be of natural, odd, even, prime, composite, non-prime. It may be of squares, or it may be of cubes, or it may be n square plus or minus n, n cube plus or minus n, n square plus or minus k, n cube plus or minus k. I'll give you one example. You will get the idea. Okay. So the given question is 0, 6, 24, 60, 120. Look at these numbers. These are the numbers. And this question comes under this logic, consecutive logic. How it is? It is very simple. The given numbers can be written in the form of 1 cube minus 1, 2 cube minus 2, 3 cube minus 3, 4 cube minus 4, 5 cube minus 5. Okay. So numbers themselves follows a specific pattern which comes under the consecutive logic. Fine. Now, What could be the other logics? Second one, difference logic. It means by looking at the given question, you will get some idea. The numbers are not following any specific pattern. Then immediately look for, can it be a difference? It need not to be always the second difference is difference. I am not saying that. Okay, I am just explaining the logics. Now, when can we apply the difference logic? It is simple. If the numbers are increasing gradually, one number to another number, if there is a small jump, then you can apply difference logic. 90% cases it holds true. Okay, so then try to apply that. Okay, now the difference can be of what? Difference can be consecutive natural numbers. Difference can be consecutive odd numbers. Please observe the way. A difference can be consecutive even numbers. Difference can be consecutive prime numbers. Difference can be consecutive composite numbers. Difference can be of non-prime numbers also. A difference can be of squares. Difference can be square. Again, the squares of natural, odd, even, prime, composite, non-prime. Difference can be of cubes. Cubes of natural, odd, even, prime, composite, non-prime. Look at this. Just by looking at these two logics, we are able to form any number of questions. Okay. Now let me take an example for difference logic. Okay. So 5, 7, 10, 15, 22, 33. And what will be the next in the series? What will be the next in the series? Now look at this. One number to another number. There is a small jump or not? Numbers are increasing gradually. So there is a small jump from one number to the next number. So we are going to apply difference logic. Now what is the difference? 5, 7 difference is 2. 7, 10 difference is 3. 10, 15 difference is 5. 15, 22 difference is 7. 22, 33 difference is 11. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. What are these numbers? Consecutive prime numbers. So what will be next in the series? 13. So 33 plus 13, 46 will be my answer. Look at this. So this is how difference logic questions will be identified. And in some situations, though the numbers are increasing gradually, in the step 1 itself, in the first stage itself, you may not find any logic. In the first step itself, you may not find any logic. Then you need to check difference of difference. Sometimes it has to be. You need to check difference of difference also. Just only by checking the one stage, don't confirm that it is not following any pattern. Check difference of the difference, then you may find a pattern. Okay? If the difference of difference is not possible, and again check the next difference, next stage difference, then there is a chance of getting the answer, correct answer for the given question. You will get a pattern. Okay? So keep that in your mind. Product logic. If the numbers are increasing rapidly, see, if the numbers are increasing gradually, difference. If the numbers are increasing rapidly, then you can apply the product logic, like double, triple, 4 times, 5 times. If it is becoming like that, you can apply the product logic. And the numbers which we are multiplying in this product logic may be of natural, odd, even, prime, composite, non-prime. Anything is possible. You cannot rule out anything. Okay? If the numbers are increasing gradually, you can apply the product logic. Let us take an example. 2, 4, okay, 12, 60, 420, next. 60, 420, look at, there is a big jump. 1260, there is a big jump. 412, yes, it is 3 times almost, right? So there is a big jump. So if one number to another number, if there is a big jump, we are going to apply product logic. Okay, next. Difference in product. So the combination of these two. See, sometimes when you are multiplying, it need not to be exact multiple. If it is not exact multiple, but it is increasing rapidly, then you can apply the combination of these two, difference and product. For example, let me take an example. 5, 6, 14, 45, 184, and what will be the next? Now 45 and 184, if I look at, it is not exact multiple, but maximum I can multiply for 4 times. 45 4s are 160. But how much it is, 45 4s are 180. How much it is more than that by 4? So this combination. Not only product, difference also need to be applied. Okay, and this may happen together or this may happen alternately also. When it will happen alternately? Alternately increasing gradually and alternately increasing rapidly, then you can apply this difference and product in alternate way. If it is not, you may apply it together also. Okay, so here it is 5 times I mean 7 times, 5 times, 3 times, 2 times. 2, 3, 5, 7 consecutive prime numbers. Okay. And here you can look at maximum 3 times. 14 3 is a 42 plus 3. 6 and 12, 2 times 6 2 is a 12 plus 2. 5 and 6 into 1 plus 1. Now look at the numbers which I am multiplying are what? Consecutive natural numbers. It can be natural, even, odd, prime, composite, non-prime. Anything is possible. The numbers which I am adding are 1, 2, 3, 4 natural. It can be even, odd, prime, composite, non-prime, or it can be squares, it can be cubes also. Everything is possible. Okay. Just observe the approach what I am giving to for answering the questions. Next, combination logic. These kind of questions also comes under the combinations. N square plus or minus n, n cube plus or minus n. Okay. Nothing much about that. Powers logic. So powers logic is nothing but you will be given like this. 1 power 1, 2 power 2, 3 power 3, 4 power 4, 5 power 5, 6 power 6. This kind of questions. Yes, it is possible. N power n minus 1. This kind of logics are possible. Okay. Digit logic. This is one of the important logic. Digit logic. It is. Let me give you clarity. One of the digit logic is Fibonacci series. Keep that in your mind. First two numbers summation will give you the third number. Fibonacci series. It is possible. And some other digit logic questions. Let me take an example. 25, 32, 37, 47, 58 and so on. Okay. Now here the difference is 7 and here the difference is 5, here the difference is 10, here the difference is 11. What are these numbers? You may not get idea sometimes. That is, sum of these two digits. The given number is 25, sum of these two. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. And this 5 is sum of the given digits. 3 plus 2. And here it is 3 plus 7, sum of these two. And here it is sum of 4 and 7 digits. Okay. So what will be next? Sum of the digits 5 and 8. That is equal to 13. So 58 plus 13, 71 will be my answer. Here I am taking the just example of sum. It can also possible with the product. It can also possible with the squares. Sum of the digit squares. Yes, it is possible. It means it can also be 2 into 5. The difference may be 2 into 5. Or it can also be like 2 square plus 5 square. Anything is possible. Okay. It is a typical one. But there is a chance. So this is about a digit logic. Now let's see what kind of exact question they given in the exam and we deal with those questions. I hope you are clear with the basics. See, I am not discussing in detail. In detail discussion will be done in our regular sessions. Just here I am giving the idea, general idea of how the number series questions will be given. Okay, how we need to look at. Okay. Now, look at question number 1. Which number will replace the question mark in the following series? Try it once. 2, 5, 11, 23, 44. Try it once. Two, 5, 11, 23, 44. Right. One number to another number, there is a small jump. If one number to another number, if there is a small jump, you can go ahead with the difference. Okay, let's see the difference. 2, 5. How much it is increasing by? 3. And by looking at this, you can also say that it is increasing rapidly also, right? It is almost double, right? 11, 23 double, 5, 11 double, 2, 5 double, 23, 44 almost nearest to double. Okay, let's check in that way also once. 23, 44 maximum 2 times minus 2. 23 to the 46 minus 2. 11, 23, 11 to the 22 and plus 1. 5, 11 into 2 plus 1. 2, 5 into 2 plus 1. Okay. Everywhere it is following the same logic except in this case. Right. So I cannot apply this logic. Then I can go ahead with the difference. If this case also it is into 2 plus 1, then definitely I can apply the same logic into 2 plus 1. But here it is different. So 2, 5 difference is 3. And 5, 11 difference is how much? 6. And 11, 23 difference is how much? 12. 23, 44 difference is how much? 21. So 3, 6, 12, 21. Can you see any pattern? Can you see any pattern? No. Again check the difference of the difference. If in the one stage it is not possible, go to the next stage. 3, 6 difference is 3. 6, 12 difference is 6. 12, 21 difference is how much? 9. Can you see any pattern? Yes. 3, 6, 9. Multiples of 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 threes are. So what will be next? 3 fours are. So what is the, here the difference is required? 12. Here the difference is required 12. So 21 plus 12. 12 plus 9, 21. 21 plus 12 is how much? 33. So to get the next number, 44 plus 33, which is equal to how much? 77. So correct answer for this question is 77. So these are the exact questions which are given in the exam. Okay. So by applying the difference of difference logic, you are able to find the answer, and the difference of difference is what? Multiples of 3. Sometimes in the stage 1 itself, it may be a multiples of 3. Even it is multiple of 3, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 fours are, 3 sevens are. One time, 3 ones, 3 twos, 3 fours, 3 sevens. Now again, 1 to 2 it is increased by 1. 2 to 4 it is increased by 2. 4 to 7 it is increased by 3. So next should be 4. 7 plus 4, 11. So multiple of 3 11s are 33. You can also do in that way, but it is a simpler one, right? In the first stage, when you are applying the difference logic, if you are unable to see the numbers in a proper way, check the difference of the difference. You will get some idea. So choice 1. Question number 2. Select the option that will fill in the blank and complete the given series. Okay, let's see. What is the difference here? Okay, look at this. Numbers are increasing gradually. Numbers are increasing gradually. There is a small jump from one number to the another number. It is not double, triple, 4 times, not like that. There is a small, gradually it is increasing. So then we are going to check difference logic. If the numbers are increasing gradually, we are going to check difference. What is the difference? 3. 5 and 10, 5. 10 and 17, 7. 17, 26 and 9. 26, 37, 11. You should be thorough with the calculation and you should think quickly. Okay. Here we cannot say because this is a missing number. 65, 82, 17. Okay. 82, 101, 19. Look at this. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, dash, dash, 17, 19. What are these numbers? Odd numbers. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. These are what? Odd numbers. So 13, 15. Consecutive odd number. Difference is consecutive odd number. So 37, 13, 50. And you need to you can cross check. 50, 15, 65. Perfectly matching. So what is the missing number in the series? 50. So choice 3. So in the stage 1 itself, you are able to identify the pattern. See, pattern is nothing but it will be generally like natural number or even number, odd number, prime number, composite number or squares of any one of them. That any one of the pattern, cubes of any one of the pattern, or the numbers may be a multiples. This is what mean the pattern. If you are unable to find the pattern in the stage 1, go to the stage 2. Okay. Just take a screenshot of this. Next, question number 3. 11, 13, 17. These are the tempting questions. These are really tempting questions. Now I will tell you why it is very tempting question, where you can commit a mistake, where you may not find the answer finally. That I will tell you. Look at these numbers. 11, 13, 17, 23, 31, 41, 53, 67, 83. These are perfectly prime numbers. Not an issue. But what is the next prime number? These are prime numbers. But what are the next prime? What is the answer? Let's see. See, look at 11, 13. These two are given consecutively. These three are given consecutively. 11, 13, 17. Okay. But between 17 and 23, 19 is missing. Maybe there is some pattern. Let's see. 23, 20, 31, 29 is missing. 31, 41, 37 is missing. 41, 53, 47 is missing. 53, 67, 59, and 61 is missing. 67, 83, 71, 73 is missing. Is it following any pattern? Like, see, first two numbers nothing is missing, and next four, one number is missing. After that, two numbers are missing. Can you see any proper pattern? No, I can't see. Though these are the prime numbers, I cannot see a proper pattern how that prime numbers are taken. Okay, so these are the tempting questions I am saying that where you may commit a mistake. Okay, so you will think for the logic of prime numbers. What is the next prime number? What is the next prime number? But by writing the next prime numbers, you may not get the answer for that question, right? So what will be my logic for this question? It is simple, easy one, but they want to waste your time. That's why they given prime numbers specifically. 11, 13 difference is 2, increasing gradually. 13, 17 difference is 4. 17, 23 difference is 6. 23, 31 difference is 8. 31, 41 difference is 10. Can you see any pattern? Any guesses? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Consecutive even numbers. 41, 53, 12. 53, 67, 14. 67, 83, 16. Consecutive even numbers. So what is next to 16? 18 is the even number. So 83 plus 18, which is 101. So my answer is 101. So choice 1 is my answer. Quite simple, right? But generally we waste our time in identifying the prime numbers. But the small logic is given difference. Choice 1. Difference is consecutive even numbers. Definitely any difference or any product logic you take, any consecutive logic you take, any combination logic you take, it will follow the pattern. Natural, even, odd, prime, composite, squares, cubes. These patterns are very, very important. Okay. Next, fourth one. 0, 7, 26, 63, 124, 250, 342, 511, 728. If you are a little bit aware of the squares also, cubes, definitely can answer for this question. These numbers are not exactly the cubes, but nearest to the cubes. 729 is 9 cube minus 1. 511 is 8 cube minus 1. 342 is 7 cube minus 1. 215, 6 cube minus 1. 124, 5 cube minus 1. 64, 4 cube minus 1. 26, 3 cube minus 1. 7, 2 cube minus 1. 0, 1 cube minus 1. 1 cube minus 1, 2 cube minus 1, 3 cube minus 1, so on. What is this pattern? Consecutive natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Consecutive natural number. And every time I am subtracting with what? 1. So constant k. That is 1. And where n is a natural number. So what is the next to 9? 10. And the logic applied? Cube minus 1. So 10 cube is 1000 minus 1. 999. Choice 3. So here the question logic is numbers themselves follows a specific pattern. Combination logic. Okay. Now move to the next question. See, there are so many questions are given in the exam, but I have taken non-repeated questions and important models. Which number will replace the question mark in the following series? Let's see. What are the numbers? 2, 3, 6, 10, 17, 28. Are the numbers themselves follows any specific pattern like any squares, cubes? No. Nearest to squares, nearest to cubes? No. Okay. Increasing gradually or rapidly? Gradually. There is a small jump from one number to the another number. It is not like double, triple, 4 times, 5 times, right? So increasing gradually. So then check for the difference. 2, 3 difference, 1. 3, 6 difference, 3. 6, 10 difference, 4. 10, 17 difference, 7. 17, 28 difference, 11. So 1, 3, 4, 7, 11. Can you see any pattern? No, I cannot see. So let's check the difference of the difference. Okay, 2, 1, 3, 4. Even can you see any pattern here? No, even I cannot see any pattern here. Okay, then this is the general procedure what we do. Here, the logic for this question is very simple. This 4 is obtained by doing the sum of these two numbers, 1 plus 3. Sum of these two digits, 1 plus 3. Sum of 1 and 3 is 4. Okay. And the next number is obtained by doing sum of these two. Earlier is sum of 1 and 3. Now it is sum of 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay. Next is 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Fibonacci series. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. So to get the next, what it should be? Sum of 7 plus 11. 7 plus 11 is equal to how much? 18. So what is my answer? 28 plus 18, which is equal to 46. Okay. So difference is 1, 3, 4, 7, 11. This 4 is sum of these two numbers. And this 7 is sum of these two numbers. And 11 is sum of this 4 and 7. So the next number should be sum of these two. That is 7 plus 11, 18. Okay. So required answer is 46. Choice 4. Fibonacci logic. These are the exact questions which was given in the exam. Choice 4. Fine. Now move to the next question. Select the term that will come next in the following series. Okay. 3, 5, 10, 20, 37. Or these numbers are increasing gradually or rapidly? You may say it may be rapidly. Okay, let's see. 20, 37 into 2. 22 is a 40 minus 3. Yes. 10 and 20 into 2. 5 and 10 into 2. Can you see any proper pattern? No, I cannot see any proper pattern. Okay, so leave it. Now check the difference. 3, 5 difference is 2. 5, 10 difference is 5. Okay. 10, 20 difference is how much? 10. Okay. 20, 37 difference is how much? 17. Can you see any pattern? 2, 5, 10, 17? No. So let's check the difference of the difference. You may see some pattern. 3, 5, 7. Can you see any pattern? Yes. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7 are consecutive prime numbers as well as consecutive odd numbers also. Both can be possible. You cannot confirmly say which pattern it is. 3, 5, 7 are consecutive prime numbers, consecutive odd numbers. If it is a prime number, it should be 11. If it is an odd number, next should be 9. Both are correct. Nothing is wrong. Okay. Now, so here the difference should be, if it is 11, it should be 28. If it is a 9, it should be 26. 28 or 26 should be the next difference. Let's check according to the option which is correct. So 37 plus 28 is 65. 37 plus 26 is 63. Both these answers are correct. But which is available? 63. So he is assuming that the pattern is consecutive odd numbers. So the correct answer for this question is 63. And the logic is difference of the difference is consecutive odd numbers. So in recent days, difference of difference logic become bit popular for SSC exams. Okay. Next, select the term that will come in the next following series. Let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. Okay. Can you find any pattern? Can you see any pattern? 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Well, okay. Numbers are increasing gradually. Difference 1, difference 1, difference 1, difference 3, difference 1, difference 1, difference 1, difference 3. If that is the case, look at the pattern. 3 times 1 and 3. 3 times 1 and 3. So what could be next? As per this logic, it should be 1. So 15 plus 1, 16. So what will be my answer? 16. Very simple, right? Choice 1 is my answer. Okay. Now, the same question we can discuss in another way also. It may helpful to you in further questions. when you come across this kind of questions, that is alternate logic. Generally, when we apply alternate logic is more number of numbers are given in the series. Then we are going to apply this pattern. More number of numbers. Alternate. It may be alternate or it may be after 2 numbers. Anything. So 3, 5, 9, 11, 15. Look at the pattern. Plus 2, plus 4. Plus 2, plus 4. Now, this alternate. 4, 6, 10, 12. Plus 2, plus 4, plus 2. So according to this, plus 2, plus 4, plus 2, plus 2, plus 4, plus 2, plus 4, you can say that it is also plus 4. So it is 16. So your answer is choice 1. In both the cases, your answer is correct. Choice 1. Look at the numbers. 5, 9, question mark, 29 and 45. Okay. This number is missing. You cannot say anything. I am checking for the difference logic. Here the difference is how much? 16. Here the difference is how much? 4. What could be the missings? Here we have given 4 and we have given here 16. 4 ones are 4 fours are. What could be missing? 4 twos, 4 threes. See, this is my assumption only. After identifying the missing number, to this number also, if it is following the same logic, then I can confirm it. Okay. If it is 4 twos, it will be 8. So if it is a 4 threes, it should be 12. So 4, 8, 12, 16 sounds good. It is a proper pattern. 4, 8, 12, 16 multiples of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive multiples of 4 in increasing order. So 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 12, 29. Is it matching? Yes, perfectly matching. So what is my answer? 17. Choice 2. You may get a doubt. Sir, as you are aware of the given questions, so you are able to answer quickly. Yes, that is correct. But you can also gain the same confidence by practicing more number of questions, by exposed to more number of logics. Keep practicing the study materials from whatever the source you are available. Then you will definitely get this idea. Okay. And when it comes to the SSC exam, a minimum 2 questions you will get from the area of number series. So 2 questions is nothing but 4 marks. So how can you lose the 4 marks out of 50? And reasoning is the only section where you can score more number of marks. So don't lose it. Don't lose the marks. Keep practicing the questions. Okay. Every single question is very, very important. Next. 57, 62, 31, 36, 18. Okay, let's see. Numbers are decreasing. Decreasing gradually or rapidly, that we'll see. Okay. What about here to here? Increasing. Increasing by 5. Here to here, decreasing. 60 to 31 exactly off. Divided by 2. So difference and product applied together. Or difference and divided by applied together. As it is decreasing, it is divided by. If it is increasing, it is product. 31, 36 exactly plus 5. 36, 18 exactly it is half of that. Divided by 2. Look at the pattern. Plus 5 divided by 2. Plus 5 divided by 2. Applied alternately. So it should be now again plus 5. So 18 plus 5, 23. So examiner will not give you complicated question. But you don't make it complicated by thinking in a different ways. Okay. Choice 2. Every question we need to deal it in a separate way. Look at the numbers, then try to recollect the pattern. Okay. Don't stick in your mind that for this question I am going to apply these logics. That is not the right way. Look at the numbers and then try to decide it. Look at the pattern and then try to decide it. 10th one. 2, 7, 17, 32, 52. Let's see. Increasing rapidly? No. Okay. 2, 5, 2, 7, 5 times. Plus 5. 7, 17, plus 10. Plus 5, plus 10. 17, 32, plus 15. 32, 52, plus 20. I hope you are able to see the pattern. Plus 5, plus 10, plus 15, plus 20. Multiples of 5. 5 ones, 5 twos, 5 threes, 5 fours. What will be next? 550. So plus 25. 52 plus 25, 77 is the required answer. Choice 1. Okay. They won't give you complicated questions. You don't make it complicated. There are some tricky questions. But 90% they'll give you easy only. Now 120, 128, 144, 168, 240. Increasing rapidly or slowly? Slowly. There is a small jump. Double, triple, 4 times, 5 times, big jump. Otherwise it is a small jump. How much it is increasing by? 8 plus 8 plus 16 plus 24. These two we need to identify. Look at, can you see any pattern? 8, 16, 24. Yes, multiples of 8. 8 ones, 8 twos, 8 threes. Next is 8 fours, 8 fives. If I am going to assume that it is 4 times, if the 4 times, by applying with the 4 times, I will get some number. And after applying with the 5 times, I should get 240. Then only it is correct. 8 fours are 32. 168 plus 32 is 200. And 8 fives is 40. So 200 plus 40, 240, perfectly matching. So what is the missing number? 200. So choice 1. Choice 1. Okay. Next, look at these numbers. 115, 134, 145, 157, 170. I'm sorry. What are these numbers? Increasing slowly or rapidly? Slowly. There is a small jump. Let's see pattern. 13. How much it is? 12. How much it is? 11. Don't know. We need to find these two. Okay. 13, 12, 11, 2. What is 11, 12, 13 pattern? What could be this pattern? Consecutive natural numbers. Only in the pattern of consecutive natural numbers, you will get 11, 12 and 13. These three consecutively. No such pattern, no other such patterns will give you these three numbers consecutively. So that's why I'm saying that patterns are very, very important. Classification of numbers, natural, even, odd, prime, composite, non-prime numbers. Classification of numbers are very, very important. Okay. 11, 12, 13. So I guess it is 10. I guess it is 9. If it is correct, let's check the pattern. 115 plus 9, 124. 124 plus 10, 134. Perfectly matching. So the missing number is 124. Choice 1. Plus 9, plus 10, plus 11, plus 12, plus 13. All the numbers are in increasing pattern. So that's why I'm not writing a plus. Choice 1. 13. Again, look at the given numbers. 116, 128, 146, 170, 200. How much it is difference? 12. Because the numbers are increasing slowly, gradually. So apply the difference. 128, 146. How much it is? 18. Okay, 18. 146, 170, 24. And here it is 30. Can you see any pattern in these numbers? If I go with the difference of the difference, 6, 6, 6. Or if I check normally directly here, 6 2s, 6 3s, 6 4s, 6 5s. When I am going to get 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutively, these numbers consecutively are possible only in one such pattern, that is natural numbers. So what is the after 5 natural number? 6. So 6 times. Or I can go ahead with the difference of difference 6. In any case, it is 36. So what is the required answer? 236. Choice 2. Okay. And these are all the questions which are given in one particular year of SSC exam, 2018. Okay, so almost you can see a similar kind of ones, but with the different numbers. Look at 114, 127, 153, 192, 244. Numbers are increasing gradually or rapidly? Gradually. So we'll check for the difference. What is the difference here? 13. What is the difference here? 26. 13, 26. What is the difference here? 39? Yes, 39. What is the difference here? 52. What is the difference here? 52. Can you find any pattern here? Yes. 13 ones, 13 twos, 13 threes, 13 fours. 1, 2, 3, 4. When are we going to get 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutively? Only in one such pattern, that is natural numbers. So after 5, natural number is 5. After 4 is 5. So 13 5s, 65 should be the next difference. So if that is the case, my answer will be 309. 309. Choice over. Choice over. Next. 7, 11, 19, 31, question mark, 67. Now, again, this is one of the tempting question because these numbers are prime numbers. 7, 11, 19, 31, 67. These are prime numbers. These two are given consecutively. But between 11 and 19, 13 is missing. Between 19 and 31, which is missing? 23, 29. Okay. Between 31 and 37, how many prime numbers are there? 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61. These many prime numbers are there. Okay. So one prime number is missing here. Here 0. Here one prime number. Here two prime numbers. If that is the case, between these two, if three numbers are missing, 37, 41, 43 should be missing and it should be 47. Okay. The missing number should be 47. If it is a 47, next should be 4 numbers missing. Right? 53, 59, 61, 67. But here also how many are missing? Only 3 are missing. So it is not the pattern. Have you understood the logic? Yes. Difference is not with the logic of prime numbers. Then what it could be? Let's see. 7 and 11 difference is how much? 4. 11 and 19 difference is how much? 8. 19, 31, 12. What could be the next? Multiples of 4. 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 4 threes are. So what could be next? 4 fours, 4 fives. 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. 31 plus 16, 47. 47 plus 20, 67. So what is the missing number? 47. Choice 4. So you should be a bit careful with the prime numbers. Okay. 16. 3, 13, 31, question mark 91. Try it once. Try it once. Is it increasing gradually or rapidly? Let's see. Here to here, you can multiply for 2 times. 13 to the 26 plus 5. If I take minimum 2 times, I'll get here 62. And here I should get more than 120. But it is 91. So it is not increasing rapidly. So let's check increasing gradually. So difference I need to check. What is the difference here? 10. 18. And again immediately question mark. So we cannot say. What could be these two numbers? What can be this? What can be this? I'll give you the idea. What is the difference of difference? 8. So next difference can be 9. Next difference can be 10. This is the one way. You cannot say this is wrong. Okay. Next, you may take 8, 9, 10 are what? Consecutive even. I have taken the pattern consecutive even. Please understand the logic. Consecutive even. sorry, consecutive natural numbers. I'm sorry, consecutive natural numbers. If it is consecutive even, 8, 10, 12. These are consecutive even. Please understand what is my approach. If it is the multiples of 8, 4 2s, 4 3s, 4 4s. If it is a multiple of 8, 8 1s, 8 2s, 8 3s. Are you able to follow me? So many ways you can think. So many ways you can think. Okay. Now, which is correct? Let's see. If it is 8 and 9 and 10. 18 plus 9, 27. 27 plus 1, 10, 37. Okay. 31, 27 is how much? 58. 58 plus 37 definitely not the 91. So this is wrong. So this is wrong. This is wrong. So this is wrong. This is wrong. Okay. Or there is a one more pattern. Here I have taken the 8, right? So the difference is constant. It can also be 8. It can also be 8. There is a chance. Okay. So 58 plus 37 is how much? 95 actually. Okay. 10 plus, 31 plus 27 is 58. 58 plus 37 is 95. If I do 18 plus 10, I will get 28. So then definitely when I am going to add next 12, it is going to be a 40. So it is more than 91 only. So anything more than 9 and 10 I cannot take. Anything more than 9 and 10 I cannot take. If I take, I will get more than 95 only. So rule out. 8 and 8 is the only possibility. No. Okay. 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 8, 34. Let's see. 31 plus 26, 57. 57 plus 34, 91. Perfectly matching. So what is the difference is? Difference of the difference is 8. Difference of the difference is 8. This should be our approach in solving the questions. I hope it is clear. We have checked all the possible ways. Difference is constant, difference is natural, difference is even, and difference is a multiples of 4, difference is a multiple of 8. All we applied. In one such situation, we got success. Difference is constantly 8. Choice 4. 57. Okay. Next. 5, 12, 26, 54. 5, 12, 26, 54. Is it increasing rapidly or slowly? Gradually? Let's see. 26, 54 2 times. Okay, double. 26 to the 52. So 2 more extra added. Okay. 12, 26. 12 to the 24. How much more extra added? 12. So in both the cases it is correct. Let's see next. 5 and 12. Yes. 5 to the 12 plus 2. Okay. In all the cases my logic is correct. So immediate next also I can apply the same. Into 2 plus 2. 54 to the 108 plus 2. 110. So this is my required one. I'm sorry. So anyway we have this into 2 plus 2. Into 2 plus 2. Into 2 plus 2. 110. Choice 3. Very simple one. Choice 3. Next. 7, 11, 18, 29, question mark 36. Okay. Increasing gradually or rapidly? Definitely I can say gradually. Okay. Difference 4, 7, 11. Question mark. Question mark. Any guess? Let's see. Difference of the difference. 3, 4. It can be 5. It can be 6. Yes, there is a chance. 3, 4 we have given. So consecutive natural numbers I am taking. Because the 3, 4 only in one such pattern it comes consecutively, that is natural numbers. So I am taking natural numbers. If it is correct, let's check it. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 29 plus 16. 29 plus 16 is how much? 45. 45 plus 22 is how much? 67. But what is given? 76. So this is not my pattern. This is not my pattern. Are you clear? This is not the logic. So what it can be? Let's see. So it is not the difference of the difference. But if I look at 4 plus 7 is equal to how much? 11. So sum of these two is how much? 11. So what will be next? 7 plus 11. What is the next? 7 plus 11. Okay. Let me erase this. Difference is 4 and 7 and 11. So sum of these two, 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. This 11 is 4 plus 7. If that is the case, next will be sum of these two. Let's assume that 7 plus 11 is how much? 18. 7 plus 11. If that is the case, this should be 11 plus 18, that is 29. 11 plus 18. Fibonacci series. Sum of these two numbers is equal to the third number. Okay. If it is 18, 29 plus 18 is how much? 47. Right? Yes. 47 plus 29, 76. Perfectly matching. So my answer is 47. Choice 4. Okay. Next. 102, 110, 126, 150, 182. Okay. Numbers are increasing gradually. So let's check it. Difference is 8. Difference is 16. Okay, I got the logic. Difference 24 and difference 32. What are these numbers? Multiples of 8. 8 ones, 8 twos, 8 threes, 8 fours. Now 8 fives are. 8 fives are how much? 40. 182 plus 40, 222. So my answer is 222. Choice 4. Quite simple, right? Yes, in the exam they are giving easy, but you don't make it complicated. 20. 3, 7, 30, 16, 35, 153. Yes, there is a... numbers are increasing rapidly. But let's check it. Whether it is correct or wrong, we cannot say, right? Let's check it. What about here to here? Into 2 plus 2. 7 2 is 14 plus 2. What about here? Into 2 plus 1. 3 2 is 6 plus 1. What about here to here? 16 2 is 32 plus 3. Look at the pattern. Into 2 plus 1. Into 2 plus 2. Into 2 plus 3. What can be next? Into 2 plus 4. If this logic is correct, next must be into 2 plus 5. It should match with this. If it is into 2 plus 4, 35 2 is 70 plus 4, 74. 74 2 is 148 plus 5, 153. Perfectly matching. So 74. You may get out, sir, why are you taking 4 and 5? See, the number which I am multiplying is 2 every time. So there is no change in that number. But the numbers which we are adding are 1, 2, 3. As a part of clue, it is given 1, 2, 3. When are we going to get 1, 2, 3 consecutively? Only natural numbers. So next will be 4, 5. 74. So choice 2. Okay. So that's it for today. Please keep practice your questions and don't lose your marks. In next session, we will discuss letter series and letter sequence, which are also very, very important for SSC. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.